to just borrow the words of my deputy. He said, how we wish we just get to 1 out of 100 of China. I traveled with the MCAs, close to 50. Those ones who didn't travel is because kama mzee Mnyenye anaogopa ndege. Mzee Mwenyewe, si ndio? Anaogopa ndege, ndio sababu hakutravel. Those are the people I left behind, but all of them, they wanted to travel. I traveled using my own money, just for my MCAs to see how people, they are disciplined, how people, they are determined. A country of 1.4 billion people, you can't get anybody who is idle. People who took deliberate steps. Today, they are the leading. They are refusing completely to be called a developed country. They are developing. And those people, I can tell you, Engoro, a tunnel, a train, nani yule Murachi, ilikuwa inaenda kwa speed gani? 350 per kilometer per hour. Inapita ndani ya tunnel for 30 minutes. Oh, Simba, nechomba chete wakana, chisese. Actually, can I tell you, my deputy said, if it's the case, if the dogs those people ate and they transformed their country, we can even eat all the dogs. We must change our mindset. We must stop to trivialize development. We cannot afford to fight, to quarrel, to squabble for 5 good years. We must put a stop. It's a deliberate effort that we must put in place. We did not ask them, a police officer on the road, because people, they are disciplined. I tell you, one of the members, and forgive me this for saying all these things, that one of my members alisahau kulipa taxi akashuka. I can tell you within 15 minutes he had been picked from his room by the police because of the system. Wakamwambia lipa. Oh, I didn't know how to pay, because there's a kashiga massacre. There is no hard money. It is not liquid. Paperless. Digital. The country is running, and I want to promise I'll pick. Now I've embarked. Before I finish my term, I'll have sent a number of our people just to learn, not to do anything, to learn, to see. I'll do it. I don't want to use the government money. I have good friends. I know I'll send a good number of our people to learn, to see how the world is. Shabana, you know, I made a promise to my MCAs, they thought it's a joke, until they were in the airport. Shabana, mkifanya mzuri, nimeambiwa Simba hapa Tanzania, nitapanga. Sio wengi, amko wengi, 40 of you. I can afford, niwapeleke, mtembee siku mbili, mrudi. So that people, they come back, we change on how we are going to do things. Ama toke, ekerubo mumanyete, ekerubo. Kes mikra matoke, di toke libekire carpet. Epale kugenda mugondo, ero siribu yako bwansa. And now we are busy. Mo wanje ga kibati gen kolas. Hi. Allow me to say this. And it's because DG, I just remembered what you said. DG told me this. Simba, even in our term, if in our term we cannot change our county and the country, then let us forget about it. Igo, vantu wami kwa nandeke usi. I want to say this. Once we formalize the terms of engagement, I will in due course be detailing what is in store for Kisii County, in line with my transformative development agenda. With those many remarks, or few remarks, I wish to reiterate that the victory of Savannah is a victory for Kisii community and a demonstration of great potential in sports among our people. Indeed, it has earned the Kisii soccer side the much-earned evaluation and return to FKF KPL next season after several years in the cold. You can imagine our team has been down, dead, for 17 years. Now we have woken it up, everything anaenda bya answer. More wanja everything Nganchere. There is something I saw today in the morning. Omongwano Krokrian Mbabes. Momo Manyete. A Saudi Arabia contract offer. Tegerera. Per minute, 1.6 million US dollar. That is how much? 1.6. Per second is 19. Per second, $19. That's how much? Per second. Times 1/4. Per minute, $1.1. Per day. Now this is important. No, per hour, $67. Per day, $1.6 million per day. Per week, $11.6 million. Per year, it's important for you to get it. You see the seriousness. Per year, $604 million. $78 billion. One individual, he can run County of Kisii for 7 years. One person, one footballer. It is possible. We can make it. We can make it. We can be there. When we'll stop tribalizing, when we'll stop carrying boys with arrows, maiming people in this town, when we'll stop backbiting, when we'll stop our natural envy in Damwam. My brothers and sisters, Shabana has brought us here. I want to plead with you. Let us support it. I'm putting at the retainer wall here. Soon, my engineers the other day, they informed me, Gaiga, that in 10 years they have spent 10 billion Kenya shillings in roads. I asked them, translate it. If we would have done tarmac, was it possible to be done? Bakama wandenga chibilioni ikomi kanga na buchara oseti 2,000 kilometers network to wate kusi kami elitoko enke low volume mobilizing machines korosie para 1 kilometer mpakobe keram is 3 million without making profit. I've decided we must reform. abantu baminto onde tayora ache gotokonya lazima tokonye igesaku kanga bono iga chi bilioni ikomi chiri chiatumegete se chipara chiamara abantu baenkoria bokora kanga bono chipare chierete kanga ne stadium tokwagacha agaiga buneya Dubai tobeke chi bilioni sana ikomi twagache, and we can even have the World Cup. Akamura Akamoga, one of the contractors, I want to tell you, nkamoteneniga kana moteneni nkumuboli ngamusi wanyawo kole contract ndionzi yaya nkamteina ni manyete ekerara ni manyete agante bina akolte kiogoro nkamuboli ngwa akolte para ntebi kemaina agante ngayaya tina akolte lakini ngwa akanetu ngakia tebe tol mwango na kanetwe nkamuboli ya na ikwere tibesejo nga na invested koko kani chibesejo mugavana na bonkoleta manyanga eine pechi ndanga na engo soma ngo onchole pechi ya kabere kana onchole pechi ya kabere ngo chikoligereria ngo muboli no maite para bono kwa irunere